Miller Park Zoo. Wow. It's from 1891. Ooh, flamingos right off the bat. Look how close they are. Oh, he's mad. Look at them all. The old shrimp color from eating the shrimp. It's going in the water. They have a concession area. I just figured I'd try it while I was here. Very shaded. Oh, what's in here? You can't do it. You stay on the sidewalk. I guess I shouldn't have slammed that. Oh look, a kangaroo. Yay. Watch them come over here and start punching me. Crazy kangaroos. What are you doing? Let me get over here so you can see him a little bit. Get that face. This is some birds. They're very distinct animals here. Hopefully the fence will. There's another guy right there. Oh my gosh, kangaroos running. Look at them all. What are you doing? That's so funny. They're like doing laps. The one can't keep up though. They just run non-stop. Oh my god, they go across the walkway. It's like an obstacle course. So here's a cockatoo. Salmon crested cockatoo. Almost looks like the flamingo. I can see why they have the door now. They want the kangaroos running around the park. Hey you! Oh my god, they don't even run. Hey, there's another guy back there. More of those birds. Oh, there's a lot of trails. Looks like an alpaca. And they smell too. Like one. Oh, an alligator? Boy, definitely come here in the summer though, because the winter, a lot of these guys I don't think could be, well, definitely the alligator couldn't be out. Another view of the alligator hanging on the beach. Here's a bee exhibit. Butterfly made out of bottle caps. All the different kinds of butterflies. Oh, they got a rainforest. Let's go inside here, see what this looks like. Very cool architecture. That looks like a gift shop, but we'll see how you get in. Ooh, real humid. See the little guy there? It's amazing how the animals are just kind of out. I mean, I'm literally probably 2 feet from him. Or her. I don't know if you can see it with the reflection. Oh, there's one up there too. Oh, there he is. What a cool, I don't know if it's called a mane on a monkey, but bridge. Oh, birds flying around. Birds are just walking around. Try to zoom in on them. Oh. There's the horned frog. I don't know if there's just one in there. There's a spiny-tailed iguana. Piranhas. More skittish than I thought. Oh, I hear the big cats. Sumatran tiger. Oh, he looks mad. They usually bring him in about 4, so I don't know if he wants to go in. Here's a snow leopard. This looks like corn. Yeah, it is corn. Thought they only eat meat. Oh! Ooh! Fight. Wow, we got an action sequence. It's a really nice little zoo. Randall Lineback. Kind of looks like I think it's that is what it's talking about. I think this is what they were referring to with the sign. Little goat. There's quite a few goats in there. There's a crane. Swan goose. Ooh. He thinks I have food. I don't have food. Oh, those are cute. Oh, look at that goat eating.
Oh, that white one's getting it now. Did you see him?
Oh, it's an old carousel. $1.75 to ride. There's some of the animals that are in here with the monkeys. They're outdoors, that's good. Oh, it's a cool looking one. Got a really cool face. It's hard to follow him in the when I'm zoomed in. Oh, let's see if we can get his face. Oh, there's another one up there. I didn't even see him. Oh, this is cool. There's a bald eagle. I thought there's a statue for him and he barely moved. Here we got a turtle hiding. Its head in there. Here he comes. Oh my god, is he cute. Yeah, you pose. If they're sleeping. That one's moving around. Sorry, I lose him when I'm this zoomed in. Red ruffled lemur. Ooh, look at him. Oh, he was looking right at me. I missed him. There he is. I see ya. There's a couple of them in there. There's another one right there. Here we have a red wolf. I don't know if you can see him. He's way out there in the back. There he comes. He's staying far away. And there's glass with this one. Oh, I see you looking. Right by the tree. Oh, there's two. I saw this cat right before I saw the fox. He was out, but I don't think he went in now. Oh, there he is. He's just resting. He's like gray. See if this is a better angle. Excellent. I'm trying to get it without the glare. Killer monster. You just see him kind of hanging out there. Can't get his face though. And then there's another one right there. These cute little guys. I've never seen a lot of these animals anywhere else. Oh, he's over there. Kind of remind me of prairie dogs a little bit. Oh, the dwarf mongoose. Western hog, no snake. Blends in really good. Oh, there's his head. There's some aquariums. Here's the honeybees. Actually, they're probably getting better for me. Oh, I can see them right through there. Little guys. Look at the Galapagos tortoise. Sorry, not turtle. Look at him back there. I mean, it's huge. It's probably like 4 feet. So that's for the Miller Zoo. It took me about an hour, and I kind of rushed through it because it closes at 5. The buildings close at 4:45, so if you're in them, they'll let you stay till 5. But if they're not, if you're not in the building by then, you can't get in. So I would probably plan an hour and a half to really see everything. And a lot of the big cat exhibits close at 3:30. So sometimes they're out. Like I got some of the footage of them being out. Here's outside of the Miller Zoo. There's a whole park with like a water splash pad and stuff like that. They also have this old train just out here fenced in. They also have an old signal here. Kind of shooting over the fence, so it's a little bit hard, but it says Chicago and Alton. I don't know what that is. You can see the whole engine there. Maybe I just go back. You can see it through the fence. Sorry that the footage is kind of messy, way over the fence. So Southern Pacific, and then the tender. It's probably a better way to see it. See the caboose. Nickel Plate Road, but then it also says New York City to St. Louis, so must have been a long line. And there's the old signal. Okay, so part of it was worn away. It's the Chicago and Alton Railroad stops on Bloomington West Side. And this must be the horn.